Good morning, class. I'll be your professor, and today we are going to learn about the different types of corn. Believe it or not, almost all of the corn you see growing in this country when you drive across Iowa and Illinois and Indiana is not sweet corn. Sweet corn is a type of corn. That's the corn you can buy at your roadside stands and in the grocery stores for eating, and it tastes good because it's sweet, because it has a high sugar content. That is not what this is. That's not what this is. And so when somebody goes and takes some ears off the side of the field, thinking that they're picking some corn to eat, it's not going to taste very good. It's not going to taste good at all. It's perfectly edible. There's nothing wrong with it. It's not going to hurt you, but it's not going to taste very good, especially at this growth stage when the kernels are starting to get pretty hard. It's not good. This is field corn, or dent corn, maybe you've heard it called. This is what we raise across most of this country, and it is primarily used as livestock feed, not just for cows, not just for pigs, chickens, whatever. Any kind of livestock, for the most part, can eat corn. It's a starch. It's an energy source for livestock. That's what most of it is grown for. It's also used in ethanol production. That is a huge user of the corn that we grow, is going to ethanol production, which then the byproducts from that go to livestock feed, dry distillers grains, right? That's most of it. We also export a lot of this corn. It still gets used for livestock feed or ethanol in other countries. There is some food source uses of it, things like corn syrup and making corn flour or cornmeal and that kind of stuff. There's hundreds of uses for field corn. Almost none of them are eating it off of the cob like sweet corn. It may look like sweet corn. Trust me, it doesn't taste good. It doesn't taste good. And this stuff is just starting to dent. These kernels are getting hard in like overripe sweet corn. So what else is there? Well, there's other types of corn. How about popcorn? You guys ever had popcorn? That's also not this. These kernels will not pop. Not the same. That is a very specific type of corn grown specifically for popcorn, because that's what it is. And then lastly, we have what's known as flint corn, or what we used to call Indian corn when I was a kid. But it's the colorful corn, the decorative stuff that you use in the fall for your fall decorations and stuff that might have red kernels or purple kernels or orange or multicolored or whatever. Not really grown too much for commercial purposes, mostly for decorative stuff. So